Hey guys, this is Jeff, and welcome to the first episode of our Pegatech series. Today we're going to walk through how to process payments. Pegasys will process payments for record-keeping purposes, pushing them across to your favorite accounting software, or transmitting pay statements, driver settlements to your drivers, owner-operators, employees, or businesses. Your pay statement options can be configured within your document settings like all of your other documents. There are a couple ways you can process your bills. Let's walk through how to process an individual bill. Let's use shipment 93 on our list as an example. If I scroll down to my bill section, you will see that we have two pending bills for trunks, one associated to a shipment and one associated to the corresponding dispatch record. I can pay one individual bill by clicking the drop-down arrow beside the Open button and clicking Pay Bill. Or I can open the corresponding bill and choose the same option. The Pay button will automatically select the bill you're wanting to pay and push you towards our process screen, where you can choose your accounts payable. I have an account set up for USD and CAD. I am processing my Canadian bill for trunks, so I will go ahead and select my CAD account. As you can see, I have bills waiting to be processed for two PAEs under my CAD account. I can select all pending bills by using the Select All button. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select Trunks and click Process. As you can see, Trunks has been cleared off my list and a payment has been created. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this window. Our first bill status has now changed to paid. When I open the bill, you will see a corresponding payment for $200 from my CAD account. From inside the bill payment, you are now ready to transmit your pay statement. Remember, your pay statement can be customized from within your document settings. Let's go ahead and process payments using our bill screen, where you can see all of your expenses within one list. Here, you can filter, search, sort, and view what's in your pipeline. Now, you also have the ability to create bills that are not associated to a shipment or a dispatch. You will see a button along the top called Pay Mode. Pay Mode is a great way to process multiple bills in one go with the ability to assign partial payments. After clicking the button, you can see that I have a complete list of bills that are pending payment or partially paid. I'm going to go ahead and choose 3 for trunks. One that is pending payment, one that is partially paid, and one that I'm going to apply a partial payment to. Now we're going to scroll down and select one for Fleet 1, and you will see that Adidas has already been selected and is awaiting payment. I'm going to leave that one as is. Let's go ahead and click Process along the top. Select our Canadian account, select all, and click Process. All of our bills have now been processed. A quick way to see all of your payments is to head over to the Bill Payment section. Let's go ahead and open the bill payment for trunks. You can see that I had processed 3 bills under this one payment. That's all for processing your payments. These payments are now ready to be transmitted or pushed across to your favorite accounting software. Remember, you can configure your autopay, accounts, and documents under company settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check out Pegasys University for further